Upgrade your kitchen game with the best blenders that seamlessly blend convenience and performance. A blender isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a small but mighty powerhouse that transforms your culinary experience. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best blenders you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Discover the NutriBullet Blender Combo, a culinary powerhouse that effortlessly claims the title of the 5th best blender. With 3 jars, including a capacious 64-ounce pitcher and 2 personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Versatility is its forte. The cups boast lids for on-the-go convenience, transforming your kitchen into a smoothie sanctuary. Engage the extract button for pre-programmed variable speeds that flawlessly blend kale into velvety concoctions, leaving no trace of imperfections. Frozen strawberries succumb effortlessly, giving birth to a daiquiri that's a dance of evenly processed delight. The base, compact yet stable, features suction cups, ensuring it stays grounded during the blender's exuberant performance. Exercise caution when detaching the personal blending cups, as an inadvertent twist can turn your kitchen into a vibrant canvas. With dimensions of 8 by 8 by 17 inches and weighing a mere 10 pounds, this NutriBullet masterpiece is poised to revolutionize your blending experience. Priced at a reasonable $118. Introducing the Breville Fresh and Furious, ranking as the number 4 best blender. This powerhouse blends affordability with exceptional performance. The regular smoothie button ensures a juice bar-quality concoction in just 1 minute. With a dishwasher-safe carafe and lid, the Fresh and Furious is a breeze to clean after creating creamy soups or vibrant margaritas. Sporting a 50-ounce capacity, it impresses with its versatility, although the jar may show minor stains from robust ingredients like tomato sauce. For those seeking a dual functionality option, Breville offers the 3X Blucer Pro for juicing and blending. While slightly more expensive, it's a worthy investment. Alternatively, the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender provides a compact solution for hand blending, earning accolades in lab tests. The Fresh and Furious stands as a testament to Breville's commitment to blending perfection at a competitive price point. Priced at $199, it exceeds expectations with a green smoothie setting that transforms kale and spinach into a silky elixir. In the world of blenders, the KitchenAid K400 takes center stage as our number 3 best blender. With a sleek design offered in a myriad of colors, this appliance is not just a kitchen tool, it's a style statement. The self-clean cycle ensures every nook and cranny is spotless after crafting your culinary masterpieces. This blender tackles the toughest ingredients effortlessly, turning kale and almonds into a silky, delectable blend. Its presets for ice crushing, smoothies, and icy drinks make it a breeze to use. Yet in the symphony of features, a minor note is struck. The start button, a tad diminutive, occasionally demands extra taps for activation. Despite its price tag of $255, the K400's performance justifies the cost. With a 56-ounce plastic jar and additional accessories like a tamper and a 16-ounce cup with a lid, this KitchenAid creation proves that blending can be both an art and a science. The Ninja SS101 Foodi, ranked as the number 2 best blender, captures hearts with its versatile and surprisingly powerful performance. The blender base firmly suctions to your counter, ensuring stability during use. It stands out with an array of presets, going beyond the usual pulse button found in personal blenders. The Smoothie Bowl Maker Cup, featuring a built-in tamper, delivers thick, creamy results with minimal liquid. Impressively, the margarita concoction was velvety smooth, free of any grit. The model's secure suction and a range of accessories, including 2 24-ounce blender jars and a 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker, make it a well-rounded choice. With smooth and creamy soups and milkshakes in its repertoire, this Ninja Foodi gem is a steal at $79. The Vitamix A3500 emerges as the undefeated champion, earning the prestigious title of the #1 best blender. Its superior performance, coupled with innovative features, makes it a standout choice. This versatile powerhouse includes 3 jars, a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches, and 2 personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. With lids for on-the-go convenience, an extract button for pre-programmed variable speeds, and reliable stability thanks to suction cups, this blender impressively handled kale smoothies and effortlessly crushed frozen strawberries for a delightful daiquiri. Care is needed when unscrewing the personal blending cups to avoid accidental mess. It even syncs with the Vitamix app for added convenience. Despite its slightly noisy operation, it wowed in tests, delivering flawlessly smooth kale and strawberry smoothies and creamy milkshakes. The touch interface, 5 program settings, programmable timer, variable speed, and pulse options contribute to its versatility. It handles tough tasks like grinding nuts for peanut butter with finesse. The self-cleaning function adds ease to maintenance. Priced at $574, it may be an investment, but the 10-year warranty assures long-lasting quality. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.